for the trip.
Bags, purses, laptop bags, anything considered a bag should tuck completely underneath the seat in front of you.
Who's announcing?
The goal is...
Are you guys ready? Are you ready to go?
It's O2Y.
A lot of international flights come in at the same time, so I guess we're all international right now, which is why it explains what the line is.
Muévate, muévate.
Well, let me get test out in Spanish now.
Pretty packed right now. Trying to get through immigration. Okay, got through immigration. Now we're headed to our next destination. Little adjustment to this airport is way different than Miami.
Maybe it's different because of the fact that we never have to go through immigration.
Yeah, immigration.
And I think it's similar, very similar. It's just that we never have to go through immigration, so it's always domestic. That's what's a little different about it. We have just eaten. I'm feeling a lot better, not having my bags on my shoulders and getting some food in my body, as well as drinking some great, amazing water. So our flight leaves in about 4 hours. We'll be headed to Arequipa. Hey guys, so we're sitting in the Jorge Chavez Airport, waiting for our flight to, I guess, be assigned to a gate. So we're kind of just hanging out in like this middle ground area. I'm probably gonna take at least a 15, 25, 35, 45 minute nap. We just got on the plane, headed to Arequipa. It's about 4:30 in the morning, and we just got on here. Everybody's super nice, and I'm super tired. The moment I walked onto the plane, I got an instant headache. It was like, whoa. But I got some stuff for like elevation and everything, so hopefully that works out. I guess we're about halfway done with our journey. After we get off the flight, we'll be headed to our lodge. So that'll be a fun trip because we're not sure exactly how we're gonna get there, but maybe a bus, maybe a taxi, maybe a train, I'm not sure. But yeah, it'll be fun either way. Like something out of like another world.
So we're headed to Coco Lodge right now. Yeah, we're in the mountains.
rhythm meets the hand, you get into it. Hola, picuña. Hasta luego. Coca Lodge, guys, and I got coca tea. Coca tea. They said it's good for high altitude, and I'm having the worst headache ever. Like, I just feel like my head is gonna explode, and I'm just so happy because I love the fact that they just use natural coca leaves, which I feel like that's what we stopped by a whole bunch of times. All those coca farms. Yeah, they were coca. Here's my coca tea. And there's Anthony's coca tea. And it's amazing. It's like amazing what you can do when you don't abuse things. You know what I'm saying? Like, 'cause seriously, this is definitely needed. But we're getting checked in. They have gotten our information and everything, and we're just gonna hang out here until we get our room and everything, which will probably be in a little bit.
So our ride cost us 350 soles. And
But it was a taxi, so it wasn't a bus.
yeah, it was private.
Personal taxi. Yep.
We got to stop at certain places, you know, if we're in a bus.
We got to buy some stuff. Yep, I got to buy this.
Oh man, this bathroom we stopped at?
Whoa, different. It was literally like 3 feet tall. Like, we're literally crouched down in the bathroom. There is no running water. There is no running water in the bathroom. It's literally just like a runoff, I guess. I guess it just all falls down into an area eventually.
And it cost 1 sole to go pee, which is nothing. But I had to pay 1 sole.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. I thought it was free, and he was like 1 sole. And I was like, oh, okay.
But we'll see you guys when we get our room, alright?
It's O2Y